Hi, I'm Dr. Jesse Chow, your friendly neighborhood dentist from Bradford Family Dentistry. And today I thought we were going to do something a little bit different, something a little bit fun that the kids can do too. And so one of the things I loved doing when I was a kid was something called origami, which is the ancient art of paper folding. So most origami is done with a square piece of paper. And today I thought I'd share with one of my favorite origami folding things is a paper crane. So you're going to take a rectangular square piece of paper and then you're going to fold it at a corner. So there's a perfect triangle there. Right? And then you're going to fold this flap here, like so. And you're going to crease those areas, especially that bottom flap area. You're going to crease that rectangular part because you want to take that part off. Okay? And then basically what you do after you creased it, you're going to take that piece that you creased and you're going to just carefully just kind of rip that piece off like so until now you have a triangle which folds out into a square. And so with that square, you're going to keep that triangle crease you made originally and you're going to fold it again into a smaller triangle. And you're going to crease that. Okay. And then you're going to open it up again. So. Next, you're going to take the triangle and open up again. And then you're going to fold each flap up into the middle, like so. And that's just the reverse of it. And again, you're going to crease that. And you're going to do the same thing for the other part. And I'm just going to open this up just to see where we're all together on this. So you open back up here. So again, step one, you have a square. You fold that in half. So it's a big triangle. You're going to fold up each edge to make it another square or diamond. And then you're going to open it back up again. So this part is a little bit complicated to explain, but now that you have the creases in there, you keep the triangle, make the triangle, and then now you're going to fold the inside. You're going to take that flap here and you're going to push it inwards and do the same thing. You open up the flap and push it inwards. So now you kind of have the same shape you had before, but you can kind of fold it one way or the other. But basically it should look like that in the middle. And basically it's, and that's a little bit opened up, but basically these two things you folded onto the inside of the square. From there, I want you to take the creases. So I want you, not the opened area. So this is the top part here. So where the open area is, you're going to put some folds in there. So again, that's the top part. And I'm just going to make those folds there. And you're going to make some creases that kind of make it look like a little kite, like that. Okay, you're going to do the same thing on the other side. So you fold in the side pieces towards the middle, where the thing opens up, just to make creases. You're not keeping it like this, but this is just to make some creases. So basically, just to show you slowly again, what I've done is you've taken the square, and this is the mouth opening there, where it opens back up again. You fold in the two sides here. You fold in these two sides here, just to make some creases. And then you're going to open it back up. And then from there, where the mouth is, you're going to pull that up. And you're going to make this now into a diamond. And you're going to do the same thing on the back end flap. you're gonna, where the creases are, you're gonna push that up, push in the sides, and then you're gonna crease these up. Okay, so now you can kind of see, hopefully you can kind of see where we're going with this. Obviously these two flaps here are going to be the wings of the bird, okay? So most people would just taught to just push these up and then you got your crane there. I like to make it a little bit thinner, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up this middle part here, and I'm going to create 2 extra creases. I'm going to push this down here so I can do it quickly and show you what I've done. So basically you kind of take these creases here, fold them in, okay, and you do the same thing on the opposite side. Take these in and you're going to crease those as well. So you have something like that, okay? And then you're going to push, fold it back over again, just to where it was before, because you just want to fold those inside. So now it kind of look like a skinnier diamond. And now, when you push this fold up, and you push this fold up, now you got a tail over here, or the other side, whatever you like. And then you're just going to bend this part here down, and now you got a nice beak there, and you got a tail, and then you're going to open up the wings. And the reason I like doing it the way I showed you is because you can actually use that middle part and just kind of fold it down a little bit, push it down, kind of square that up, kind of like so, and now you have a nice paper crane. So that's one of the things I loved to do when I was young. And you can play with this a little bit. If you want to kind of roll the wings, you can. You can roll the wings here if you wish. Make that kind of like that. And, okay, so that's your origami trick. You might have to rewatch this to see all the steps I did. But hopefully you guys have fun with that. Okay, take care. Until next time, Dr. Jesse Chai, your friendly neighborhood dentist from Bradford Family Dentistry. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay isolated.